Sisters, we are getting ready to undergo a huge project, so I just wanted to get one final look of the area before we get going. So let me turn the camera around. All right, I'm in the den, and we've already taken off, sorry for the bright light, we've already taken off all of the paneling off the walls as well as off the ceiling. So we took off all the drywall. There was a lot of raccoon poop up there. And we've already taken out most of the piping in the ceiling as well. So this line right here is just the line to the old radiant heating system that we had going up to the upstairs. We also took out the wall to the bathroom, and now what we're about to do is replace all of the plumbing lines. So this is the bathroom to the laundry room. That's the old toilet. I think we're actually gonna leave that in there and cap it off, we'll see. But we definitely have to dig up right here to get all these pipes out, dig out the new toilet. This is where the shower drain is going, and then it's going to connect here to go into the laundry room, where we are gonna have a utility sink inside the garage, and of course the washer and dryer. And then from the utility room / laundry room, I guess, it's gonna run all the way to the kitchen. So that is what we have left to do, is replace all the plumbing and the sewer lines. So this is the first batch of that, and here is the big O sucker that's gonna hopefully be sawing up our floors with a limited mess. We are gonna be using the water hose to do wet sawing, so we shall see how dusty it gets in here, but wish us luck.